how I hacked Canva's heart frames for Flawless Portrait 4. Designs. As a longtime fan of crafting, I'm always looking for ways to streamline my design process without sacrificing quality. Recently, I discovered a clever hack using Canva's heart frame element to elevate my logo designs, and to my delight, it integrates beautifully with both Cricut Joy and my newer Silhouette Portrait 4 cutting machine. I started by selecting a heart frame from Canva's Elements section under Logo Design. Within that frame, I placed all my design components, carefully adjusted for composition and size. The heart frame wasn't just aesthetic, it acted as a guide that ensured every element stayed well contained and print ready. This method had already proven successful with my Cricut Joy. It cut the designs cleanly along every line with precision. So naturally, I was curious to see if the Portrait 4 would handle it just as well. After setting it up and transferring the design, the Portrait 4 blew me away. Not only did it mirror the performance of the Cricut Joy, but the cuts were shockingly crisp. None of that jagged scissors cut by hand look. I can't stress enough how important settings are with the Portrait 4. The first time may take a little trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, setup takes no more than 5 minutes. Just make sure your blade depth and material setting match your paper type or vinyl, and you're golden. The final result? A professional-looking, logo-style heart design with clean, symmetrical cuts that look like they came straight out of a design studio. It's become my go-to trick for making impactful visuals without investing hours in layout and prep. So if you're working in Canva and want to bring your designs into the physical world with finesse, don't overlook those heart frames. With the right approach and a trusty Portrait 4, the transformation is seamless.